Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to make a sanitizer stand with zero expenses. What is the use of this? When you're sanitizing yourself, you're not only protecting yourself but helping others also to be safe. You see, in the current scenario, having sanitizer stand at home is very essential. Recently, I went to buy a sanitizer stand. It was costing around 1000 to 1500. Don't you think it's too expensive? Yes, for the normal person, it's a very huge amount. This is the main reason which made me think to make sanitizer stand with zero expenses. Let's start. Here you can see I have taken one waste bottle and trying to clean it. I am making a mark over here so that I can cut along with the mark. After cutting, you just check whether it is perfect size for the sanitizer bottle or not. Since the edge of the bottle is too sharp, I am trying to make it softer by putting it on the fire. I am making a hole on the top of the bottle. In the same way, make one more hole which will be straight to the previous hole. Now you have to make two more holes at the bottom which will be straight to the holes we already made on top. The same thing should be done even for the cap also. You can see I am cutting this cap also accordingly, which I wanted to put it on the nozzle of the sanitizer bottle. If you see this entire video, there is an alternative for every single material I used. Here I am taking one waste box which is useless for me. If you don't find such boxes at home, you can take any horizontal things like stick or pipe or anything else. Even here also I am making two holes. This will be foot pedal for us. Now we are going to join all the things what we need. For that we'll be needing rope. Here I am taking jute rope. You can take any rope or thread instead of jute rope, which is available for you. I'm just folding the rope into the half and adding one string in the middle. As we all know, daily usage of sanitizer is also not so good for health. So reduce sanitizer usage and keep washing your hands frequently. The stand we are making in this video can be used to place soap bottles also to wash our hands. Now I am trying to send the ends of the rope into the holes of the cap. Even the ends of the string also should go into the holes. Here I am twisting the string to make a holder for the nozzle of the bottle. Now insert the same rope into the bottle's holes what we made at the bottom. Here I have taken one more piece of rope and trying to tie it from the top holes of the bottle, which will be handle for the entire stand. The rope we got it through the bottom holes of the bottle should be tied with the foot pedal also. This is the final one. This is a minor contribution from my side to be part of Corona Warriors. If you feel this video is really useful, please like, share, subscribe and make the same model at your home to be part of Corona Warriors. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.